Mentang sengip trang ba kejela Conrad ke sangmau la pli ya Tamasa Shet Jingbam bat bam Jingbam kamtam ibadai ke Jingbam tenrai nak ni kejela berai keteng kum ke culinary cascade ajar funreu hanan Polok Shillong ya kini kita masa Jingbam la pelong ketenat cingok kai kejela rengkat kejiya sedok lang bat ke Mikhlian E Limited ke Maimek bat ke Chief Minister Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program kat kum ke jing ong trang ba kani kata masa Shet bat bam Jingbam kamut ban subam hendai kedai kerensan nak benta ban kentiu ya ke kam cingok kai ke biadai berkabam kedi kenang ban kentiu ya ke yok ke kot jong kipat ba kejela haba pan pai ni ya gitu ki bawa ni ya ke jing pelong ya kata masa u Conrad loong ba kita masa kimdai ban sule singba hendai kadon ke benta ke bakrau ban ra ya ke nam bat keburam jong kejela bat kamtam hakayok ke kot jong kinong song sinong Ula ong ru bakani ka soka kamle ya ka batamai handai ka supen jana ya ka ai ba jule nadu mensua hakani ka sengi ula penbenaru ya ka mission 1000 ban ya kun persia ya ka jingduna bam gi breu ha ka jela kamtam gi kelung ka mission 1000 kan pai khmat ban pe ya ka jing penbiang bam ya ki kelung nadu badangka ha ka jela hakani ka tamasa konrat wa kawut bam ru bat mat ya ka wan sibenta ban ya don bentalang hakani ka tamasa.
And hence the culinary cascade that we are having today is one piece of this entire picture that we are trying to create for our state. But let me also say that it's a very important piece. Because as Wari was mentioning, that while we talk about food, it is not just about food alone. It's about our history. It's about our culture. It's about our people. It's about a complete story that we are here to tell. And as we have moved along the years, I can see that story evolving, getting better and better. And I hope that we'll be able to take this further in the years to come. While we talk of the culinary cascade, I would just like to mention one point which is very close to my heart. As a state, we face multiple challenges. While we as a government try to work to change those aspects and challenges that are in front of us, we sometimes are able to succeed, sometimes we're not able to succeed. We have challenges in health, we have challenges in education, and many, many other sectors where challenges are there. While I say that, I'm sure some of you must be aware about challenges of malnutrition, stunting, and the different kind of aspects that a large number of children have to face in our state as well as throughout the country. I would like to propose and would like to suggest to the tourism department. I'm coming up with a program called Mission 1000. It's a targeted program and approach to once and for all remove malnutrition and stunting in our state of Meghalaya. We are determined to do it in a mission mode where we are planning to monitor every single child who is born in our state, provide targeted based nutrition food to them, monitor it every month personally. Of course, officials will monitor every day, every week. Use technology and all the support we can get to really eradicate malnutrition in our state. I intend that apart from providing supplements. I would like to see that our local vegetables and local food, which have high nutrition value, need to be marketed, need to be informed to the mothers, to the villagers, to different caretakers at the village level. Hence, if we can extend this aspect of the culinary cascade from apart from the tourism aspect and ensuring that we're able to tell the story, I would like you to map different local food items in terms of their nutrition value. Make it one of the projects that you can. The different local foods that our people are having. We all know that what we eat is most probably 50% of what affects our health. And of course, in today's world, there are thousands of things that make sure that that does not happen in the right way. And the sad part is, most people are actually unaware. It's not even that they are doing it purposely. They're doing it because they have no idea how much certain food things, items, processed food, or whatever it is impacting them. So I would like to see that some social aspect of this particular festival in an extended manner could help us in our mission 1000, where for 1000 days we'll be monitoring children. I would like our chefs to take out certain days to be part of this mission, adopt a certain village, adopt a certain area, a district, figure out a program where we get different people involved, whether it's CSR programs, whether it's different restaurants, hotels, whatever you can. I really want every single person in our state to join hands with us to eradicate malnutrition in our state. And that is really one of the missions that I have. We've kept 3 years to do this in front of us. I'll be launching this on the 31st of March. But I take this opportunity to say this today is because, yes, the aspect of tourism is very crucial. But if the same programs could help us address issues and involve people and have results that will help our small children, pregnant mothers at the grassroots level, I think that would be serving a much larger goal and much larger purpose than simply looking at this as a tourism event. I know that a lot of you may be thinking that why should we combine this with a tourism event? But I would like to see that this would happen. It may not make complete sense, but it is something that is the right thing to do. And when we know that it's the right thing to do, then there's no reason for us to question what we are planning to do. And therefore, let's do the right thing. I once again would like to congratulate the organizers who have organized this wonderful event. And I hope that in the days to come, this program will evolve, become bigger. We will find many, many more ways to involve other aspects of food, of the entire sector, the industry, tourism, music, all of it together, so that we're able to provide opportunities and a platform for all the different stakeholders, the farmers, the producers, the food processing sector, the restaurants, the chefs, all of you to be able to come together. And of course,